Breaking news coming in. Sources say Congress party will not hold any rallies in Uttar Pradesh. It's a move to stop rallies after Priyanka's meeting. Congress's decision is coming amidst rising number of COVID cases. The Congress party is going to be focusing on door-to-door campaigning instead, and they will not be conducting any rallies whatsoever. That is source-based information coming in at the moment. The most responsible thing to do at the moment. We'll also wait for other political parties to follow suit and make this particular announcement, because the number of Omicron cases and overall COVID cases, the tally is rising pan-India. Amidst this, the Congress party has said that they will not hold rallies in Uttar Pradesh. Sources have revealed this information to us. The Congress party refuses to hold rallies in the light of the surging Omicron cases and COVID cases in the country. Source-based information coming in. The Congress instead is going to be focusing now on door-to-door campaign. Let's see how many other political parties follow suit in the light of the rising number of Omicron and COVID cases in this country. Supriya Bharadwaj is now joining us for the latest on this. Supriya, source-based information coming in, but nevertheless, we are getting information that the Congress party has decided to take a very responsible step and not conduct political rallies in poll-bound Uttar Pradesh.
Well, absolutely, yes, Shreti. As far as Congress party is concerned, there was a meeting which took place last evening in Delhi, and we are hearing that it was headed by Priyanka Gandhi, where this was decided after the discussion that as of now, seeing the COVID cases, increase in COVID cases, all the big gatherings which include Shakti Samvads, the public meetings, the marathons in Uttar Pradesh will not be organized by the Congress party. Also, we spoke to Congress party senior leader Pramod Tiwari, who has said that they have also given suggestions to Election Commission that there should be small public meetings, as well as more emphasis should be on the virtual as well as the digital rallies. So this is the big breaking coming at the moment, that Congress party as of now has put a hold on big gatherings, big public meetings, as well as rallies, marathons and Shakti Samvads, town halls in Uttar Pradesh. They will go with their door-to-door campaigns following proper precautions. This is what the sources are telling us. They will also hold those small nukkad baithaks. These are all sabhas. They are saying gatherings are cancelled, but nukkad baithaks where only 10 to 15 people come together, have a chit-chat in the villages, in the rural areas. That campaigns will continue. However, as far as the big public gatherings are concerned, seeing the surge in the COVID cases, Congress party as of now has put a halt on it. Also, what we are learning from the sources is that Congress is working out on a strategy wherein their more emphasis will be on the social media platforms, which includes virtual town halls as well as virtual digital rallies. They are putting in place the control rooms in all the 5 assembly-bound states. And what we are hearing from the sources is, including when we spoke to Rohan Gupta, who is the social media head of the Congress party, he said that preparations are on. Yesterday, there was a meeting in Delhi to take stock of the situation. So, seeing the COVID cases, the Congress party has decided that they will shift their strategy. They're tweaking it towards the digital side. They will be using more of the virtual social media platforms for the campaign in the upcoming assembly polls.
All right. Leave it at that. Thanks so much, Supriya, for bringing our viewers up to speed.